What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. 5:30 in the morning, the 5th of January. We are looking at Flare/Tether. This is a Bitrue data daily chart, tradingview.com. A couple things here on the chart for Flare. The airdrop is approaching a couple days next week sometime. I believe it's the 9th. So here we are looking at Flare/Tether Bitrue data. Guys, welcome to the channel. A couple things I marked up here on the chart. Just a quick rough T&A here. So a couple things here on the chart. We got two circles here on the chart. That represents higher lows. So if I move in the chart here, so we have a higher low that basically took place over here on the 20th of let's see, that would be the 20th of December. And then it looks like our higher low came in here roughly on the 4th, which would be yesterday of January. So we have higher lows, which is nice. We do have a higher high right here on the 2nd of December, but we have a lower high on the 28th of December. So we're getting a little contradicting here on the higher highs, but we do have higher lows, so that is good. We're in a critical zone right now, and yesterday, the 4th of January, found a little bit of resistance. So there is a possibility that yesterday is the double top. So we have the high over here on the 2nd of December, excuse me, and then yesterday the 4th of January. And there is a chance, and we're seeing it right now, we get a slight reaction either to the downside or sideways before potentially breaking out higher. We'll have to see. And the reason why I say that is because there is a lot of resistance. Let me get a different tool here on my chart. There is a lot of resistance over here. And as price approaches, it can usually run into some trouble before moving higher. And we saw that on the 2nd of December on this high right here. And then we also saw it yesterday, which was the 4th of January, 2023. So we will see. Perhaps the catalyst is the airdrop coming next week on the 9th, if I'm correct on that date. And that could be the catalyst that takes us, one, back up into this range, or even two, into some price discovery that has not been seen in a long time. So I have two levels on my chart. One roughly at the 55-cent area, which would be this high on the 2nd of December. That high is 559. That is one area that it would be great to see the price break above. It's definitely some resistance right now, and then even higher than the market currently is right around that 70-cent range. And I took the high from over in here, which is, let's see, we have 701, and so 701 would be that high. Two levels that are resistance, and we could see a strong break above. So the catalyst, like I said, could be the airdrop that allows the price to rocket past these two high levels into some price discovery. We could see price sideways to down until the airdrop, and like I said, the airdrop could be that catalyst that allows us to break out to the upside, creating a higher high that we are looking for here. So we'll have to see, but those are the levels I'm watching. Basically that 55-cent, that 70-cent range, they represent the two most important highs that at least I can see on the chart. And if either one of them gets broken to the upside, that actually gives us a higher high, and that would be really good for the bulls. That would be good for this uptrend here. That would allow us so we have a higher low. We do have a lower high here, another higher low. So we are just about in an uptrend. We are looking for that next higher high to come into place here, confirming that we are in a solid uptrend. We did print a higher high yesterday, I should say, although the close was below the high of the 28th of December, so I'm not really going to count that one in. Today, we are basically sitting right at that level. As you can see, we are trading at E52, and this high here is 51.9, so basically right there. Like I said, really want to see a break above 55, getting us back into this resistance zone, and that would be good, hopefully taking us back above the 70-cent range, which would be this high. So there is a lot of overhead baggage here for this pair, this Flare/Tether on Bitrue data. But we will see. We will see. The airdrop is a big catalyst. Hopefully it happens. It looks like it's going to happen this time around. So patience. Like I said, there is the possibility that this is a double top and we see some downward sideways action. If for some reason something doesn't go well, we could really head to the downside. And I say that because this has a rough head and shoulders look. So we have a left shoulder over here. You can call this a head area. We have a right shoulder over here, finding resistance at basically the head. And you guys all know how that ends, which would be to the downside. Anything is possible. To the upside, those are the two levels I'm watching, 55 and 70, looking for that next higher high. And then if yesterday was the double top and things start to head lower, as in the rest of the market, Bitcoin and everybody, if everybody doesn't get along and things start to really ramp up to the downside, then perhaps the airdrop doesn't too much matter for the price, and the price will head lower along with the market, having lots of weight on its shoulders. It's anyone's guess here, but it looks like we have been trending to the upside, so that's why I am favoring a nice breakout to the upside and the airdrop being the catalyst. Of course, not financial advice, just sharing my thoughts here on this Flare/USDT Bitrue data. TradingView.com is the charting service. So that's my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And anybody who is receiving the airdrop, that is pretty cool, pretty neat. Put you back a couple years for holding XRP back in 2020. Many of you have been around for much longer than that. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up. Have a great day.